Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supplies, the Corsair RM1000e and the MSI MAG A750GL. In this video, we will explore their specifications, advantages, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The Corsair RM1000e offers a robust 1000 watts of power, making it suitable for high-end gaming rigs and demanding systems. In contrast, the MSI MAG A750GL provides 750 watts, which is adequate for many builds but may fall short for extreme setups. If you're planning to run multiple GPUs or high-performance components, the RM1000e is the better choice. When it comes to pricing, the Corsair RM1000e is priced at $179, reflecting its high wattage and premium features. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A750GL is more budget-friendly at $99, making it an attractive option for those looking for value without compromising on quality. If budget is a primary concern, the MAG A750GL offers excellent performance at a lower cost. Warranty is another important factor to consider. The Corsair RM1000e comes with a 7-year warranty, which is solid for a power supply. However, the MSI MAG A750GL offers a longer 10-year warranty, providing additional peace of mind for users. A longer warranty can often indicate a manufacturer's confidence in their product's durability and reliability. In conclusion, the choice between the Corsair RM1000e and MSI MAG A750GL ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require maximum power and premium features, the RM1000e is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective option, the MAG A750GL is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.